In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add text in Premiere Pro. It's very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So I have this example video right here. If I want to add text to it, all I want to do is go to this list of options right here on the left hand side. You want to click on the type tool, or you can just press T on your keyboard and that'll select the type tool. Then what you want to do is select the area where you want your text. Okay, so for an example, if I select like that, there's my text. Then I can just go and type out my text. So I could write something like that. Okay, but that doesn't look the best. So what you can do is you can click here where it says Effect Controls, and you can click on the layer that is the text layer right here, and you can also drag it for the full length of your clip. And right here you can see it says text subscribe. You can drop down these arrow right here, and you can change, for an example, the font of your text. So for an example, if I want to, let me just choose, okay, there's lots and lots of fonts right here. Let me see this one right here. Okay, you want to make sure to actually highlight it first, and then you want to select your font. Okay, let's just choose that. Then you can, for an example, change the size of your text, okay, like that. You can change the position of it if you want, and also you can change the color. So if you want to change the position, you just move these sliders right here like that, up and down wherever you want the text. And for an example, if I want that to be black, I can do that, click out of there, and now that's been added right there. Okay, and that's it. And then you can repeat that process for as much text as you want. If you want to go back to the normal selection tool, just click on that arrow right there, and then you go back to that. Then you can continue editing and then export when you're done. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.